Bam, ladies and gentlemen, they came and carry alone. But I'm even thinking, cannot be single. That body, that back to Batty and I want to. But, open a became God and Yameria, want to carry local issue, but mistake. Believe yourself is the key. You must to believe yourself and to be strong, very, very strong. That's the key. Ladies and gentlemen, really Amez studio songs. Everything is already been here. If you want to do best music, reggae, and everything is what you want to do, you must to be here. That's the best studio in Togo. I never see this one, this kind of. That's the best thing. Let me show you some things. Show them the back, ladies and gentlemen. See the back. Some things is coming, man. She just wants to lie. All on the road, no one will come. She's got to say, no one will want you love. I'm giving you what is my love. Nobody knows like you. Ain't nothing like it. You're gonna go and do your life. I'm gonna do your life. Devi matare ciò, poi qui non avevano a vedersi quei bimbi. Allora dico, non mi sa qua, là non avevano a vedersi a quelli fino e gli altri che vuole che. Non tu ma qua no. A me studio, a tutto come. Se a documento se tecnica si vede qua. Voilà a me studio il film. Guardate io tomare il numero che sono sull'ecran. C'est du beau fire. Ah bah les boys alors. Toi, tu baptise en there. Hey, I gonna subscribe to my new YouTube account to get many more. Ladies and gentlemen, beloved, my family, my sisters and brothers. That's the key. And so believe yourself, that's the key. Love you, man, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. My boy, I see you, man.